Hello and welcome to Process Excellence Temple Digital Learning. In this short tutorial, you will learn about the Learning Management System or Training Builder. Let's get started. We're going to start by learning how to create a new course. Once you're logged into the system, open the left navigation menu by clicking here. Click on People Development, Training Builder, and select All Courses. Note that this is where you will see all the courses that are currently available. They are stratified by online courses and in-class courses. You can also use the search functionality here to look up any specific courses. Now, before we actually create a new course, we have to go ahead and create a new test. So let's go ahead and do that. To create a new test, start by entering a test title. Let's enter some test subtitle. Let's enter a question. You can add the multiple options, and you can also go ahead and select the correct answer. We're going to go ahead and add one more question. Note that you can add as many questions as you would like by clicking on Add Question here. Once you have entered all these details, click on Save Test to create this test. A new test has now been created with the title Test New 1. Let's go back to the All Courses page under Training Builder, and now we're going to go ahead and create a new course. We're going to enter a new course title. You can select whether the course will be online or in class. Note that online courses are public by default, whereas in-class courses can be both public and private. Let's go ahead first and create an online course. Click on Advanced. Over here you can enter some more subtitle information. In the Introduction tab, we can select the relevant tool associated with this course. So let's say, for example, this is regarding this SEWO tool, and you can enter how much the competence of the user would increase by completing this course. So let's say we want to increase the competence from 1 to 2. I'm going to go ahead and click here to add this tool competency. You can enter some dummy text for summary and detail. In pretest, you can select any of the pre-created tests, or also go ahead and create a new test as well. We are going to go ahead and select the new test that we just created. Note that the pre-test that we added is by default also copied over to the post-test tab. What this means is a user taking this course will be provided with the same pre-test and then the post-test, and that way we can validate their competency increase. You can also go ahead and add multiple pre-tests as well as post-tests for any course. In the Content tab, click on Add Section, enter some dummy title, subtitle, and description, and then you can go ahead and add lectures. So for example, we're going to go and add a couple of lectures here. Note that you can add media files for each of the lectures, which can include PDF files, images, as well as videos. We're going to go ahead and add one image over here and also a small video over here. Once the Content tab is completed, we're going to go ahead to Post Test and enter a passing percentage. Let's say we want this to be 80%. Go ahead and click on Save. Now the course is saved as draft. You can go ahead and make any updates and changes if you would like, or if you would like to publish this course, click over here, and you can also set up a default days to due based on when you would like this course to be completed by the users. Once you've selected Publish this course here, click on Save. Now, this course will be available to all the users in the factory. Let's go ahead, we're going to sign out we're going to log in as another user in the factory and go ahead and enroll in the course we have just created. So now I've logged in as operator 1 plant 1. Let's again go to the left navigation menu, people development, training builder, and in all courses we will go and find the new course 1 that was just created. And as you can see over here, as this user, I'm not currently enrolled in this course. So go ahead and click on the course, and over here you see an option to enroll in this course. So let's go ahead and enroll. Now let's walk through the steps of how we would go ahead and complete this course. To start the course, click over here to start with the pretest. We'll click here to select this pretest. Click on Start Test. As you can see over here, on the left we have our questions. We can go ahead and answer these and click on Next to navigate between these questions. So let's go ahead and select an answer for question number 1. Click on Next, select an answer for question 2, and let's submit our test. In the course history tab here, you will see all of your information regarding the pre-test and post-test completion. As you can see over here, the pre-test is now completed. The next step is to go through all the course content. So let's start by clicking over here. Let's click on Start Course. This is the first section that we created. We can review the content here and click on Next. This is one of the images that we had added previously. We can review this and click on Next. And this is one of the videos also that we had added for this course. So we can go ahead and review the video content. We want to make sure that all of the course content here has been reviewed, which is also verified by the top right status over here. It is showing us that we have completed all the available lectures and our course progression for the content is 100%. At this point, click on Go Back to Course. Now, both the pre-test and the course content have been completed. The last step before we complete this course is the post-test. So let's click over here to get started. Select the post-test and Start Test. Now we're going to go ahead and answer all the questions, and once we're done with that, let's click on Submit Test. So as you can see over here, we have failed the test as we have got 50%, which is less than the passing mark of 80%. In a scenario like this, when a user has failed the course, to try it again, you can simply click on Retake here. The example we went through was a course which was online, so we could go ahead and enroll in the course, and then we also completed the course. Now let's go through another example for an in-class course. I'm going to go ahead and log out as this current user. I'm going to sign back in as a manager with access to creating courses. Let's go through an example when we're creating a course which is an in-class course. So again, we're going to go ahead and click on People Development, Training Builder, and all courses. Let's go ahead and click on Create Course. So for this example, we're going to go ahead and enter a title. We want to create an in-class course, so we're going to select that. Now, you have two options for creating in-class courses. It can either be public or private. For public courses, enrollment can be completed automatically for users up to the limit of the maximum available seats in a course. Whereas for private courses, irrespective of how many seats are available, every single enrollment must be approved by the instructor. So we're going to go ahead and go through an example for private in-class course. So let's select private here and let's click on advanced. Similar to the previous example, we're going to go and enter details in the introduction tab. We will select a pre-test. We're going to go and add some content here. and also let's add a passing percentage for the post-test. Once all the details have been entered, let's also select publish this course and click on save. Note that this course is now created and it's also published. Because this is an in-class course, we have to go through the scheduling exercise. We need to define what would be the available schedules to take this course. For example, here, let's go ahead and enter a starting date and time, as well as an ending date and time as well. So let's say this course will be offered on April 23rd from 3 to 4 p.m. Let's enter a location where this course will be offered. We can enter how many seats are available for this course, as well as who is the instructor. Click on Add Schedule here to add this occurrence of the course schedule. Similarly, we can go ahead and enter multiple schedules for one course. Once the changes have been entered into the system, this schedule for this course is now available. Let's log back in as a user who would be signing up for this course. We're going to go back to the All Courses page under Training Builder and find the new course that has just been created. As a user, I want to enroll in this course. So let's click on the course and we will go to the Scheduling tab, and over here, out of all the available schedules, I can go ahead and request which one I would like to attend. For example, here I will click on Request, and now a request has been submitted for me to be enrolled in this course. Let's go ahead and log back in as a manager who can review and accept that request. So again, going back to the All Courses page and going to the same course, logged in as a manager or an instructor. In the Attendance tab here, when I select the available schedules, over here you will see all the users who have requested access for this course. So I can simply go ahead and accept or reject this request. Click on Save. Similarly, all requests coming in to enroll in this course can be accepted or rejected using this option over here. This concludes this short tutorial. Thanks for watching.